Hi everyone, welcome back to Legally Yours. We're here again with Catherine Thomas, who's the CEO of Free Range Lawyers, and I thought it would be really helpful to get a bit of an understanding of some of the journeys that the Free Range Lawyers have had to get to this point where they're now a Free Range Lawyers. So hi Catherine, thanks for joining us.
Hi, you're welcome.
Great. So let's talk about some of these lawyers and their journeys that they've had and how they've made it to become now Free Range Lawyers.
Yeah. Well, I think probably the useful thing is for me to just talk through a few scenarios and a few types of journeys that we're seeing. I think, first of all, we're talking to a lot of lawyers who are at the mid-level in their career, so who've got some really good quality experience behind them at the major law firms that you and I will know about, but have decided to do something different for a while. And I'm thinking in particular of one lawyer who's worked at two of the big six law firms in Australia, but who is currently living in India because his wife's work has taken him there. But what he's looking to do is still to use his legal skills to keep his career moving forward while he's located there. And of course, Free Range Lawyers, it provides a wonderful vehicle for him to be able to do that, because as I said in the previous video, really it's the legal skills that are of importance to us, not necessarily where somebody's based. I've got another lady who lives in the Northern Territory because her husband's with the military. But again, she's worked for an international law firm and still wants to use those skills. And so we're talking to her about how we might do that. There's also another really interesting group of people who've spent a long career working in the CBD, in-house or in those larger law firms, but who have essentially decided that they want a bit of a tree change. And so I have wonderful conversations with really experienced lawyers who live in idyllic locations now, but who are still looking to use those skills to provide them with the kind of lifestyle they're looking for and the variety and interest.
Look, it's just fantastic. And I think particularly because there's such an emphasis these days and there's such interest of topic in the legal industry about mental health and well-being. And you made a really good point there, because what matters is the legal skill of the lawyer and not necessarily where they're located. And with more and more of us wanting greater flexibility and for legal to fit in with, our lifestyles and our different choices, I think Free Range Lawyers is the must-have service that we need for these lawyers to enable them to still practice, but do it in a way that suits their own lifestyle.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And, our mantra and our purpose is cultivating what matters, and what matters to each individual will be different. But we see Free Range Lawyers as a vehicle for helping lawyers to cultivate what particularly matters to them.
Absolutely fantastic. So if you're a lawyer out there listening and this is of interest to you, you can head to our website at legallyyours.com.au, or you can email us at info@legallyyours.com.au, and we can introduce you to Catherine and the Free Range Lawyers team. Thank you so much for joining us, Catherine.
Thanks, Karen.